Smart work versus hard work. This is a very frequent question that my students always ask me, sir, what is the difference between the hard work and the smart work? We always want the smart work. I would like to tell you that smart work and hard work both are important in your life, right? Some people say hard work is more important. Some people say nowadays in modern era, smart work is more important. But I would like to say yes, smart work is very important because people are smarter these days. If you are smart, you are working smartly, no doubt or unquestionably that you will get progress better in your life or soon and faster if you are a smart worker. Let me give a very good example. Suppose you are a hard worker or you are a hard working person. I understand you are very hard working, you are a laborious, you are a diligent person. For an example, you are a salesperson, you are a hard worker, you are selling, uh, you are going door to door and you sell the one book, two, three, four, five books. On one book sales, you save 20 rupees and you are capable to sell 10 books the whole day. You are capable to sell the 10 books in whole day. What happens as per 20 rupees saving on one book, that in 10 books you are supposed to save 200 rupees. But there is another person who is a smart and he prefers to work smartly. What he does, that he tries to bring a platform, he tries to you know uh, upload his products on like Flipkart, Amazon, and he keeps price 5 rupees on per book. Means he keeps saving only 5 rupees margin on per book saving. What you see, that if he is capable to reach out 500 people, after seeing 500 people, if only 200 people suppose purchase the book from Amazon or Flipkart, then 5 rupees to 200 you can multiply, it's like 800 rupees. So it's 4 times 4x the rather than the person who is working hard. So I would say that the smart work is very important rather than hard work. I'm not criticizing hard work is not, but smart work nowadays is the ladder of success. The smart work is that people are doing. The smart work is what it gives you wonderful progress and it gives you more profit. Even some people are very smart, they have purchased or they have bought the cars, two, three, four. They have they have used or applied in Uber, Ola or something. They are sitting at home, but all the four cars are being driven by the drivers, right? And they are getting per day income. So what is this? This is also an example of hard work. So if you want to get such more videos which can boost your confidence, which can give you more speaking ideas, follow me on Instagram, my English trainer. And if you want such more videos, say yes in comment box. I would be happy to make. अगर पाना है perfection तो follow Prince sir.